The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. The most recent and positive XRP news is here, therefore I'll give it to you. Here, we analyze the implications of the RLUSD launch on XRP and the huge moves of whales. How do they even know that? You should avoid seeing this video since it will explain everything to you. If you would like to remain informed about all the happenings in the Bitcoin market, then make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. In any case, let's dive in, shall we? In case you were unaware, Ripple has officially launched RLUSD. The initial couple of hours saw some price changes until everything settled down, but now it's online. The San Francisco-based startup behind the Ripple USD stablecoin has now officially launched it. As of right now, the stablecoin is meant to function on Ethereum and XRPL networks, and rumor has it that our USD has officially been accessible to everyone. An enterprise-grade stablecoin created for everyone is added by the Ripple's team. Everyone has been waiting for a few important things to happen, but RLUSD integrates the reliability of fiat currency with the efficiency of blockchain technology. Instant global payments, smooth on and off ramps, and access to real-world assets are just a few of the features that this stablecoin, which is backed by XRP, will offer. It will also attempt to test the waters with USDC and USDT, among other things. The market cap is $300 billion. I am really positive on this. Actually, USD could be the next big thing that everyone wants, rippling a real. This might cause a stampede in the financial markets. For instance, it is no secret that the European Union has banned the trading of US dollars. But the CEO of Ripple said on social media that the coin would launch on Uphold, MoonPay, Mina Archives, and Bits. If you're bullish on Mercado Bitcoins, you can also expect a bit stamp to follow shortly from Independent Reserve Hash. As a result, this has been implemented with great care and strategy. Regarding Ripple's actions, I believe we can all agree that this is the reason behind the recent surge in volume. For example, a large wallet bought over 100 million XRP, or about $234 million, all in one transaction. Actually, there have been some quite significant shifts. In some, we've witnessed a $35-odd million, $39 million, $5 million via Coinbase, and a plethora of other things. All these people are, in my opinion, juggling two tasks at once. One is to confirm that they are prepared to receive RLUSD. I'm also preparing for the future, since if RLUSD does manage to capture even a little portion of the stablecoin market, it might have a huge impact. Keep in mind that this is something I've suggested before regarding XRP nevertheless. All it takes is a tweet. Just one worldwide announcement will send it soaring. If any bank were to publicly announce that they have accepted our USD, that they will store XRP on their bank sheet, or that they will use the XRP to move money globally, then this would cause a meteoric rise, you might be asking. Indeed, I believe that many individuals are patiently anticipating that they are putting themselves in a situation where, at their core, they simply cannot lose. If you haven't seen that film, you should, it's well worth your time. It was one of my cryptocurrency recommendations for 2025. This is why the question of XRP's future trajectory is currently being discussed among traders. When looking ahead to the next target, holding this 262.57 range is absolutely crucial. The price activity in the medium to short term has ranged between 585 and 876. Around 229, we can see important supports, so we can potentially go a bit lower. Having said that, I believe the market is currently pricing in Donald Trump's inauguration on January 20th. It has come to our attention that they have lately proposed or publicized the Bitcoin Reserve Bill. Actually, they will halt all sales to the US government within 48 hours of our bill being adopted. On my live stream, we broke it down, and it was a tremendous figure. They may be looking to buy more after that. The Bitcoin market as a whole can only benefit from this. In my view, it will not be long before we observe the possible transfer of older coins into reserve funds. The ETF narrative is nothing new to us. That might be incredibly bullish. The next stage, nevertheless, is to get a daily close above 252, and we will achieve it, as per Dark Defender, XR, and Ps. If this holds, the token price will probably reach 272 in the near future, with a long-term aim of 585 to 876, a number that I think is worth noting. ETFs begin to cross your mind. In the context of the larger Bitcoin bull market, where does that stand in 2025? Listen up, XRP is about to do some serious rusing. In fact, I've always predicted a price somewhere around $789, as opposed to those insane people who think it will go to $600 sometime next year. In my opinion, it's true. But listen, the truth is that Eric Bakken has already spoken his mind. Though not all at once, he predicts a deluge of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds (ETFs) in 2019. A Bitcoin and Ethereum combination is presumably going to be the first to launch, followed by an intriguing Litecoin one. And then, at long last, HBAR, perhaps XRP, and Solana will follow. You can't help but notice that there is when you look at the Bitcoin ETFs, gold. Are these in demand? The Ethereum ones, indeed, did not do that. They are beginning to become more well-known, I suppose. They are becoming popular among consumers. Keep them in your possession for a purpose. Also, I believe it would be crazy to have a Solana XRP ETF. So, let's check the current price to see what's happening. We are seeing the continuation and bull flag breakout on XRP that we have been hoping for, and it is beginning to hold up rather well. We can see that the market is beginning to see volume again, and our side trend is following all of the exponential moving averages, so we know that things are looking good. You can see that we may be in a slightly deeper slump if we enter a more short-term price study, which I think is good to explore. As an example, consider the FIB. We have successfully recovered from the 50-day exponential moving average and are now challenging the 20-day moving average above the mark. 2.36 in the Fibonacci sequence. These are the 257 clauses that are discussed when the topic comes up. As we discussed at the beginning of the video, this orange line would be crucial for where I want to see it in the 260 range. There, it took on the characteristics of actual support and resistance, marking a potential turning point where prices could go higher or lower. Moreover, what about the location? It would be crucial to break beyond this upper limit, which is 786, which is 268. In conclusion, a strong move even farther to that kind of 585 area in the not-too-distant future could be indicated by that 1.0 at 273. But there are many positives. It concerns XRP. What's happening with it still has us all quite enthusiastic. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.